Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video, I am going to show you how to change theme type from light to dark in material table. Alright, as you can see here, I have a simple material table and at the top of this table, I have one switch. Okay, so on click of this switch, the dark mode will be applied to this table. Okay, and if again I am clicking on this, the light mode will be applied to the table. Okay, and default value of this theme type is light only. Okay, so now if I refresh here, I will get this light mode only, and if I went to the dark mode, and now if I refresh, I will get dark mode because I am storing this data into the browser. Okay, so now let's jump to the VS Code and let's implement dark theme to the material table. So let's go to the src and app.js. Okay, and here as you can see, I am passing three property to this table, and first is the title, data and column definition. Okay, so this is how our table is looking right now, and now we have to apply the dark theme to the material table. Okay, so for that what we have to do is, so first of all we have to wrap material table component into a different component that is called MUI theme provider. Okay, so let's import this component from the material UI core, and this is gonna to come from material UI core. And now our task is to wrap this component. So here theme provider, okay, and now paste it at the last. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to pass here theme. Okay, and for that we have to create our custom theme. Okay, and pass it to this component. So here let's call it as theme only. Okay, and create this variable at the top here. So const theme. Now we have to create a theme, and that theme can be created by using create MUI theme. Okay, and this one we have to import from material UI core only. So let's import here create MUI theme. Okay, and here create MUI theme, and this is a function which is gonna to take a object. Okay, and the first property of this object is gonna to be platelets. So here let's provide platelet. Okay, and now this is gonna to take another object. Okay, and here first of all we have to define the type of mode. Okay, so it's got two value, light and dark. So the default value of this theme is light. Okay, so now we will check with both. So here type, and now let's provide this dark and save it, and here let's come to the UI, and now as you can see we have dark mode. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have two value, light and dark, and on click of the switch we have to toggle that value. Okay, so we will see how to do that. So for that what we have to do is we have to manage a state. So here let's create a state by using use state. So call it as const, and here prefer dark mode. Okay, and here set prefer dark mode. Okay, so basically this is gonna to deal in boolean value. So here use state, and here let's provide this value as a true. That means I want this one to be in dark mode. Okay, so now let's import this use state from the React. So use state. Okay, now what we have to do is by use of this variable we can do the conditional rendering. So here what I can do is I can write here prefer dark mode. If this value is yes, return this dark, otherwise return light here. Okay, so now let's save it and come back here. So we are gonna to get this dark theme, but now if I pass this value as a false, okay, so I will get here the theme as a light, as you can see here. Okay, so now we have managed based on this state, and now we have to change this state based on switch. So now let's design the switch. So for that, let's come to the browser, let's go to the Material UI and let's search here for switch. So switch component, and we want something like this. Okay, so what we have to do is here the form control, not this one, yeah, the switch label primary. Okay, so let me search more. Yeah, so this is what we are looking for, the top. Okay, so here what we can do is here let's copy this, okay, and come back here, and outside of this theme let's paste this. Okay, and here we have to import this both component from the Material UI. So let's import, okay, switch. Now save it and let's come back here. Okay, so now you can see we have here this switch. So now let's change the text over there. So here instead of this label we have to provide here dark mode. So instead of this top we have to provide dark mode. Okay, and now here what we can do is here we can provide this property called checked. Okay, so checked in the sense whether it's already have to be checked or not. So we are gonna to get this value from the prefer dark mode. So now let's save it and come back over there. Okay, so now you can see this is off. So now let's do one thing, change this value false to true. Okay, and save here. So as you can see here, this switch has been checked and the mode is dark as well. Okay, so now what we have to do is on click of this switch we have to handle on change. So now let's define on change. So on change, okay, equal to, and this is gonna to take a function. So here what I will call it as set, okay, prefer dark mode, and this value, whatever the value I had before, I have to reverse that. So not of prefer dark mode. Now let's save it and come back here. So you can see initially I have dark mode, and let me click on this. So now this has been changed and we have light mode. Okay, so now if I click here again I have this dark mode. Okay, so now we are able to manage this mode. So let's set initial value as a false here. So now what we have to do is, now let me set here a dark mode and refresh this page. So what will happen, it will again set to the light mode, and this is happening because we are not storing this data, means every time we are setting this value as a false. So in order to save the user data we have to use local storage. Okay, so for that what I can do is here, so this is the use state and this is gonna to take a function, okay, callback function, and now here I can read the data from the local storage. So here I will call local storage dot, and here I will try to get the item. Okay, so here get the item, and here I have to pass the string. So I will call it as a table dark mode. Okay, so now whatever the value I will get, I will return it, or I will store it in a variable and here const mode. So basically I am gonna to store a boolean value, but once I will get value, that value is gonna to be in string, so I have to check for that. So here I will write mode and I will compare with true. Okay, so if that value is true, then this is gonna to return true value, otherwise return here false. Okay, so here if value is not true, just return false. Okay, so here by using this operator we can do that by using OR operator. Okay, so once this value is false, come and return this false. So now let's come to the browser, and as you can see here we have false value. That means we are in light mode. Okay, and this is happening because the underscore table dark mode doesn't exist. So this is gonna to return me null value, and null is not equal to true, so this is gonna to return false. Okay, so now what I have to do is, on click of this on change here, I need to set the item as well in local storage. So for that what I can do is, I can define a function and I can call it as handle dark mode change. So here const change. Okay, so what I have to do is, I have to call this function here. Okay, and now here what I can do is, here so I can remove this, and from here now directly I can write, so set prefer dark mode. Okay, so what before I had code there, I am gonna to write again, means I removed here and I am gonna to write here. So here prefer dark mode. Okay, and now what I will do is, I will write local storage dot and I will set item. Okay, so this set item is gonna to take two parameter. First is the key, so this is the key we are having. Okay, so let's paste it here, and the second is gonna to be your value. So this is what our value is. So here I will pass not prefer dark mode. So now let's save it. Okay, and come back here. Okay, so now let me come to the dark. So now we have dark mode, and let me refresh this page. Okay, we got dark mode only. Okay, so now let me show you where we are storing this value. So here inspect, and from here you have to select your application. Okay, and local storage, and here you have to select localhost 3000. Now you can see here this is the key and this value is true. Okay, so if I set this value anything except true, so according to our condition right here at the top, this is now gonna to return false. So now we will apply here light mode. So now let me refresh this page. Okay, and now we have light mode. Okay, but again if I click here, now we are gonna to have true, and if now I clicked here, this value is gonna to be false there. So this is how it will work. Okay guys, so here what we have done is, first of all we have wrapped this material table component in MUI theme provider, and this is gonna to take a theme. So we have created this custom theme here. Okay, and this platelet is gonna to take the type, the default value of type is light. Okay, so now what we are doing is, so based on this state we are changing the type. Okay, so now what we are doing is, here on click of this switch we are setting this value, and again we are setting to the local storage, and while the reading I am reading for the first time from the local storage. Okay guys, so you can find the download link of this code in description of this video. Okay, so if you like this content, Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.